Game of 2 1/3.
All right, here we go.
The next night, under
This
the weather,
is for break.
Tyler Malley gave him 3 1/3.
Second mini for break.
They
1275.
barely got a 9-inning game in 3 starts in that Giant series.
I think it's
So
12.
Bailey's going to hang
Yep.
this game for a
Mini
little
number 2
while.
for 1275. Let's roll the dice.
Strikes out against Lester.
It'll be 9 rounds.
Chicago left-hander, 1 out here.
Grab the list.
The other part of that
Good luck.
is until the Reds offense shows that they can get something going against Lester.
All right, all right, all right.
Reds have yet to.
There we go. First we'll get 6, second 5, third 4, 4 3, 5 2. That'll fill up the main. We'll get this shit done. Get them broke tonight. So we're going 9 rounds. There's a names list. 40 names, 40 entries. We did 9 rounds. Let's roll. Good luck, guys. Top 5. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final round. Whammo. Good luck there, guys. Derek Fischler, Skeldon, Warren, Hooper, and Jeff Brown. Top 5.
Strategy for Hamilton would be